Hey everyone, John for Popeyes Postcards is doing our daily what sold on eBay. As you can see on the screen, 31 orders, which really is probably about 35, 36 postcards, $277. So first we have New York City. This is the Planters Peanuts store interior, probably 1940s linen. Original dealer wanted $20. I got $13.99. Next is West Virginia. It's Clarksburg, the Waldo Hotel, 1915. This has been up for many, many years. I can tell by the background. And I got $6.99 for that. Next is another Morgantown, West Virginia postcard, West Virginia University, campus views, greetings, admin, library, linen, $10.99 for that card. Next, this is Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Marriott Hotel, the Kona Kai Tiki Bar Restaurant. Always keep an eye out for tiki-themed postcards. They sell extremely well. I took a best offer on this one. Doesn't show, but it's like 14 something. Next, anthropomorphic lettuce head woman, Valentine tuck, artist sign E. Curtis. So you can see her face there in the cabbage. Original dealer wanted $7.50. I got $7.99. Again, some of these may be best offers that I'm just not seeing here on the screen. Next is a comic humor from Belgium, Mankin Piss. If you're not familiar, that's the little boy statue, water fountain that pees on people. I don't know if it's good luck to get peed on by that thing. But anyway, I always sell the Mankin Piss cards. They always do fairly well. This went for $6.99. Guess we're rolling into Valentine's Day here soon. So this is a greeting, Valentine greeting, man, woman, hand muffs, Whitney Maid. So unknown artist, 1920s, $8.49. This is Naval Station baseball team, what they look like in 1918. I put historical because this is a reprint. And you can clearly see down here, reproduction. Hopefully whoever bought this for $4.99 read all that and sees that it was a reproduction and does not expect a original 1918 picture. This is Watkins Glen, New York, Glen Motor Court and Motel, Texaco Station. So you can see the Texaco Station here, always with the keywords. And this sold for $6 on a best offer. Elmira, New York, Union Railroad Train Depot Station. Even if it just says station, I always put in depot. And this went for $8. I think these next one all went to the same buyer. So next is Harpers Ferry, West Virginia, B&O Railroad Depot Train Station. There that is. And that was $9, best offer. I don't think this went to the same guy. North Hollywood, home of Bing Crosby with picture inset. Linen, probably late 30s, early 40s, $5. I always pick up these Stars homes. They're usually in the quarter box, and I usually get $5-6 for them. Kaiser, West Virginia, bird's eye view from Queens Point, 1913. Cards in very rough condition. Someone at some time was selling that for 10 cents. I got $4.99 out of it. Pennsylvania, this is Shellsburg, Bathing Beach, Shawnee Lake State Park, 1950s linen, missing corner. And I got $4.24 on a best offer. Chambersburg, Pennsylvania, Children on Swing, Milton Wright Memorial Home. There's that. $7.49. McConnellsburg, PA, Bedford, Green Hill, Sideline. Actually, I think that should be Sidling Hill. It is Sideling Hill. I put Sideline Hill, so Sideling Hill, Lincoln Highway. So I'll always pick up Lincoln Highway cards, 524. This is 1989 Postcard Week, Patriotic Uncle Sam, Santa Claus Riding Reindeer, artist signed Kemp. This is the auction I went to in August of 2021. Lady passed away. She was the artist on these cards. I think I have probably about 100 of these, so selling them for $2.99. Next, Gray Line Motor Bus Tour, Salt Lake City, Utah, 1920s. White border era, $4.99. Looks like I have another one of those. Ohio, this is Cincinnati, Western and Southern Life Insurance Building, 1918. $5.99 for that card. Next is Havana, Cuba, USS Maine Monument, real photo, 1920s. And $4 for that card. This is Yulee, Florida, Winnie V Restaurant and Motel. Looks like early 1950s cars, even though it's 1963 postmark. $4.50 best offer. Next, Quincy, Illinois. I think there are a couple Quincy cards coming up. This is the Drive in India Mounds Park, pre-1920s. I could have probably just said 1910s. $4.50 best offer. Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Cars, Northside Cottages, Roaring Fork Creek. Cabin interior. And $5.99. Dallas, Texas, President Kennedy's assassination site, $1.99. I think I actually took a best offer, $1.80. Again, I have a whole bunch of these, so this is equivalent after fees and shipping and everything. That's pretty much equivalent to a $1 card in an antique mall. And not much work either. California, this is Matherfield Main Gate Air Force Base, 1950s. I always do very well with the gate entrances to military installations. So $8.99. This is a Big Eye artist signed Walter Keane. Actually, it was done by his wife Margaret Keane, 1960s. Take a look at Mark at S&M Postcard, links below to his channel. He did a nice video all about these big-eyed postcards. Go check that out. Anyway, I got $9.99 for that card. Newberry, Michigan, Ferguson State Hospital. Pretty much anytime you see State Hospital in the title, it is an insane asylum or a mental health facility. Got this at the York Postcard Fair or Postcard Show. Paid $1 for it. Sold it for $19.99, which was higher than all the other comps I could find. I could have put it up a little higher. It sold immediately to the guy who collects mental hospitals. So probably could have priced it up a little bit. This is Pocono Mountains, Pennsylvania, Promised Land State Park. 1950s, 60s era, $6.99. Next, another Stars home, Hollywood, California, home of Bob Hope, picture inset. Again, probably paid $0.25 for this card in a box somewhere, or it just came in one of the other lots I've bought out. $5. This is Oakland, Maryland, Deep Creek Lake, Maryland, aerial view. It does not look like this anymore. This is probably late 60s, early 70s, $5 for that card. Another Stars inset. Beverly Hills, home of Errol Flynn, picture inset. And $5 for that card. Hagerstown, Maryland, Hager's Fancy Captain Hager home. I don't know what all that means, but it's just a home. Hager's Fancy, I guess, is the name of the house. So that sold for $5. Next one, this is California, Buena Park, Knott's Berry Place, Little Chapel by the Lake. So the amusement park, Knott's Berry Farm. Got $5.99 for that. Next two went to the same buyer. This is Santa Barbara Courthouse Handmade Serigraph print by M.A. Sheehan. So this is like a screen print type thing. Most of them you'll see serigraph. And so $804 for that one, and I have a second one also went for $804 to the same buyer. This is Chinkatink, Virginia. This is the Wild Pony Ride. Chinkatink and Assateague are right next to each other, and they always have the annual Wild Horse Swim. So $5.99 for that card. This is Rock Hill Furnace, Pennsylvania, East Broadtop Railroad train. Train people are very particular about their trains. $5.99 for that card. Another Rock Hill Furnace, East Broadtop Railroad train and station. And that's sold for $4.99. And the last card, this is Ivy, Virginia, Siesta Motor Court Motel, multi-view interior rooms. This is a linen card. And it sold for $5.99. So pretty good day. Not as good as the other days, but anytime you make $270 some just on postcards, little pieces of paper, and you do that day in and day out, I'm not going to complain about that at all. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or comments in the comments below.